75% of all animals on Earth are insects. There are around 1 million known species, and new ones are constantly being discovered. Butterflies, beetles, flies, ants, bees, and grasshoppers are all examples of insects. Insects do not have a skeleton, and their bodies are divided into parts or segments. Instead of a skeleton, they have a hard covering on the outside of their body known as an exoskeleton. This helps protect them. Insects have 3 major body sections, 6 legs, and at least 1 pair of antennae. Insects are usually quite small, but some can grow pretty large. The Goliath beetle, for example, can grow up to 11 centimeters long, and the atlas moth can have a wingspan of up to 30 centimeters. Insects have a variety of ways of protecting themselves from predators. Some blend into their surroundings or are camouflaged, some have nasty bites or stings, and others have very hard outer bodies. Some insects live in groups, such as termites, ants, bees, and wasps. Some, though, live alone. Some insects can be harmful, like groups of locusts that eat and destroy crops, or some types of mosquito that help spread the disease malaria. Some insects, though, can be very helpful, such as bees that produce honey and also help pollinate plants, or ladybirds that eat plant pests like aphids.